Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ugly Mugs Beauty. So this YouTube channel is going to be educational videos all about makeup, a little bit about hair, and getting into the professional world of makeup. I'm a professional makeup artist based out of Albuquerque, New Mexico, and I work in film and TV. I graduated from MUD in 2014 and Aveda in 2019, just recently. So why am I doing this? There's so much more to the world of beauty and makeup than beauty influencers, and I feel like the world has been so saturated by that light that I just want to shine a light on the more professional side. Anybody can watch these videos, whether you're an absolute beginner or you're ready to take a leap into making this your career. So I am definitely not the authority when it comes to all things makeup. But I just wanted to share my experience and things that I wish I had known when I was first starting out. You might be asking yourself, where did the Ugly Mugs name come from? I think it's pretty obvious. People are ugly without makeup. But not you. Yeah. I'm pretty funny.